Pops, hindi naman tayo perfect, di ba? So, meron pa bang mga pwedeng i-admit na wrong decision mo sa career?
Ay, madami naman. O hindi, wag na tayo siguro mag-pinpoint, pero madami yan. Madalas, every so often talaga namang may mga wrong. Ina-admit ko ba yun? Sa sarili ko lang. Pero what I learned in life is, it is okay to make the wrong decisions. Because it's better to do that than never to take a chance. Lalong-lalo na sa industriya natin. We will never know kasi until we try it. So, pag naging wrong, or if we feel that we've failed, I think the best thing na lang is to learn what made it fail and learn from that mistake, diba? And then hopefully, not do it again, or hopefully you just better yourself. But yes, madami. For me to pinpoint, baka nakalimutan ko na because I don't want to dwell on the mistakes. But yes, I have to admit na madami-dami rin siya. Tapos, yun na nga, siguro I have learned to be stronger, more responsible. And yun na nga, I have learned to not be scared to make the mistakes.